Dr. Daisy, kind and neat, smiling shoes upon her feet, little bag and shiny light, let's make tummy troubles right. We feel better, 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 every day in any weather. Dr. Daisy, gentle, clever, helps us all feel better. Better! Tiny check of ears and nose, cold toy duck on all our toes, magic plasters red and blue, soon you'll run and jump like new. We feel better, better.